Hi. So there is something that I'm dying to discuss with all of you. I hope by now you have heard Metro Indino's all songs, right? And you have loved Kaide Se. When I heard Kaide Se for the first time, I thought it was beautiful, and there was this one line that had stuck with me. And over the past few weeks, they have released Kaide Se covers by Arijit Singh, Shreya Ghoshal, and last week they released Shilpa Rao's version. When I heard Shilpa Rao's version for the first time, I realized that this line has still stuck with me after all these weeks. So I asked a friend, what is your interpretation of this line? Because this line was beautifully terrifying. That's what it was. He shared his interpretation, which I did not resonate with. So I realized that people must have different interpretations of this line. So I'm excited to know what you thought when you first heard this song, and particularly this line. Here's the line.
खुद ही का दुखाया क्या बताऊं दर्द